In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion for budgeting and expense tracking. We'll walk through setting up an easy and efficient budget dashboard that helps you seamlessly manage your finances. Whether you're new to Notion or looking to optimize your current setup, this guide is for you. Let's get started. First, open Notion and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, take a moment to sign up. It's quick and free. Once logged in, you'll find yourself at the Notion homepage. Familiarize yourself with the interface. It's intuitive and offers flexibility for various personal or professional projects. Now, let's create a new page. This will serve as your central hub for budgeting. On the left-hand sidebar, you'll see a plus icon. Click on it. This will allow you to create a new page. Once you've done that, let's name this page Budget Dashboard. Naming your page helps in easily identifying what it's all about, especially if you end up using Notion for multiple purposes. Next, we'll start building our budget tracking system by adding tables. First, we'll create the expenses database. To do this, choose All from the options presented when you add a new block. This table will hold all your expenses information, allowing you to input details such as the date, category, amount, and any additional notes. Think of this as a digital ledger where you diligently record all outgoing money. After setting up the expenses database, we'll proceed by creating another table, which will act as your income database. Similarly, select Table from the block options to add this new table. Populate it with essential columns like source of income, date received, and the amount. Having a comprehensive overview of your income helps you manage your finances more effectively. Now, let's dive into some magic with formulas for budget calculations. In Notion, you can create formulas to perform automatic calculations. This can be particularly handy for things like tracking the difference between your income and expenses, or calculating your savings rate. Spend some time getting the formulas right, as they provide insightful data at a glance. To enhance the usability of your budget dashboard, consider adding different views for better monitoring. Notion offers multiple view options, such as calendar or board views, which can be tailored to your preferences. Perhaps a monthly calendar view works best for tracking expenses over time, while a board view offers a good breakdown of income sources. Experiment with these layouts and choose what displays your data most effectively for quick reviews. By following these simple steps, you now have a comprehensive system set up for managing your budget in Notion. This setup can be crucial in helping you make informed financial decisions, showing you exactly where your money is going and how well you're meeting your financial goals. Not only is it practical, but it also offers you peace of mind knowing your finances are organized and monitored. Thanks for tuning in, and happy budgeting.